Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, when was Himachal Pradesh designated as an Indian province? A. August 15, 1947. B. April 15, 1948. January 26, 1950. D. August 15, 1950. The correct answer is option B, April 15, 1948. Himachal Pradesh was designated as an Indian province on April 15, 1948, after the amalgamation of 30 princely states. Next question is, when was type 5 diabetes first reported? A. 1985, B. 1955, C. 1999, D. 2000. The correct answer is option B, 1955. The condition was first reported in Jamaica in 1955 and then defined as J-type diabetes. Next question is, which state has implemented the Telangana Scheduled Castes Rationalization of Reservations Act 2025? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Telangana, D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option C, Telangana. The Telangana government has notified the implementation of the Telangana Scheduled Castes Rationalization of Reservations Act 2025. Next question is, what is the name of the first automated bat monitoring system developed in India? A. Bat Monitor, B. Batechomon, C. Bat Tracker, D. Bat Watch. The correct answer is option B, Batechomon. Batechomon is an autonomous system capable of detecting and analyzing bat calls in real time. It is India's first automated bat monitoring system. Next question is, where was the new frog species Leptobrachium areatum discovered? A. Meghalaya, B. Guwahati, C. Garbhanga Reserve Forest, D. Arya Vidyapeeth College. The correct answer is option C, Garbhanga Reserve Forest. The frog was discovered in the Garbhanga Reserve Forest, located in the southwestern part of Guwahati, Assam. Next question is, when did Bangladesh start celebrating Pohela Boishakh on April 14? A. 1980, B. 1985, C. 1990, D. 1987. The correct answer is option D, 1987. Bangladesh started celebrating Pohela Boishakh on April 14 in 1987 after adopting a new Bengali calendar. Next question is, who first proposed the idea that led to the creation of Captcha? A. Louis von Ahn, B. Alan Turing, C. John Langford, D. Manuel Bloom. The correct answer is option B, Alan Turing. Alan Turing proposed the idea of the Turing test in the 1950s, which inspired the creation of Captcha to differentiate between humans and machines. Next question is, what is the current unemployment rate, UR, in rural areas in 2024? A. 6.7%, B. 3.2%, C. 4.9%, D. 4.2%. The correct answer is option D, 4.2%. The unemployment rate, UR, in rural areas showed a marginal decline from 4.3% to 4.2% in 2024. Next question is, what is Kumudini Lakhia often referred to as in the Kathak community? A. A classical dance innovator, B. Dance titan, C. A dance historian, D. A master choreographer. The correct answer is option B. Dance titan Lakhia is called a dance titan by her students, including Aditi Mangaldas, for her immense contributions to the art form. Last question is, what is the world's first ever global carbon tax imposed on? A. Aircraft industry, B. Shipping industry, C. Oil industry, D. Agricultural sector. The correct answer is option B, shipping industry. The world's first global carbon tax imposed on the shipping industry by the United Nations Shipping Agency. Now it's time for practice question. Where was the Mission Innovation Annual Gathering 2025 held? A. Paris, France, B. New York, USA, C. Seoul, South Korea, or D. Tokyo, Japan. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.